Is your Tesla app constantly buzzing with notifications? You're not alone. Many Tesla owners experience this, especially after software updates like the introduction of smart notifications in app version 5.0 or the full self-driving V12 rollout. These updates aim to enhance the experience with AI-driven personalization, but they can sometimes lead to more alerts for charging, security, and maintenance. The good news is, you can usually fix this by adjusting your alert settings within the app. We'll walk you through the steps to regain control and silence those unwanted pings. Tesla app notifications fall into several key categories to help you monitor and control your vehicle remotely. Understanding these types is crucial for managing which alerts you receive. First, security alerts include notifications for Sentry Mode events when motion is detected around your vehicle, lock and unlock confirmations, and intruder alerts to protect your Tesla. Next, charging and energy notifications cover battery levels, supercharger availability, Powerwall status, and updates on charging costs to keep you informed about your vehicle's energy usage. Software and maintenance alerts notify you about over-the-air updates, service reminders, recalls, and other maintenance needs to keep your Tesla running smoothly. Finally, valet and summon notifications cover remote features such as summoning your vehicle, valet mode activation, and other remote control confirmations. Identifying which categories are causing the most disruption is the first step to fixing excessive notifications. You might not need alerts for everything, so review these types and adjust your preferences accordingly. To access and adjust your alert settings, first open the Tesla app and log in to your account. This ensures you have access to all personalized features. Next, navigate to the Account section in the app menu. This is typically located in the side menu or profile area. From the Account menu, select Notifications or Alerts. The exact name may vary by app version. This opens the Notification Settings panel. Here, you'll see a list of notification categories such as security alerts, charging reminders, and software updates. Each category can be customized. To reduce notifications, toggle off the categories you find unnecessary. For example, disable charging reminders if you prefer not to receive them. This is the primary way to manage your Tesla app alerts. Within the notification settings in the Tesla app, look for options like Summary Mode. This feature was significantly improved in app version 5.0 and later, allowing you to bundle multiple alerts into daily digests. Summary Mode reduces the number of individual notifications by delivering them in convenient batches rather than as they occur throughout the day. By enabling Summary Mode, you can choose delivery times that work best for you, such as in the morning or evening when you're less busy. Experiment with different frequencies in the push notification settings to find what works best for your daily routine. This personalization helps minimize disruption while keeping you informed. Remember, Summary Mode in app versions 5.0 and later is your key to managing notification frequency effectively. For more granular control on iOS devices, you can manage Tesla app notifications directly through your iPhone system settings. This provides system-wide overrides that affect all notifications from the Tesla app. Start by opening your iPhone's Settings app from the home screen. This is the gear-shaped icon that contains all your device preferences. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications to access the Notification Management menu for all your apps. In the Notifications menu, scroll through the alphabetical list of apps until you find Tesla. Tap on it to open the Tesla-specific notification settings. Within the Tesla notification settings, you can completely disable all notifications by toggling the main switch off. Alternatively, customize alert styles, sounds, and vibration patterns to suit your preferences. You can also adjust sounds and haptics for Tesla notifications in the Sounds and Haptics section of your device settings, controlling vibration patterns and alert tones. Remember that these iOS system settings provide a complete override, affecting all Tesla app notifications, regardless of the app's internal settings. This gives you full control over how your iPhone handles Tesla alerts. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Tesla, and then Notifications. Android allows you to customize notifications per channel, meaning you can control different types of alerts separately. For example, allow security alerts but silence charging alerts. This provides even finer-grained control. If notifications persist despite adjusting settings, try these troubleshooting steps. First, clear the app's cache by going to your device's app settings and finding the Tesla app to remove temporary data. Next, restart your device by powering it off completely, waiting 30 seconds, and turning it back on to refresh system processes. Then, unlink and relink your Tesla account within the app by accessing Account Settings, removing the link, and logging back in to refresh the connection. Also, ensure your Tesla vehicle's software is up to date by checking the infotainment screen for available updates, as notification behavior is often tied to the car's software version. Finally, for phantom notifications, force close the Tesla app from your device's app manager, then reopen it to resolve any lingering issues. Tesla is increasingly using AI to personalize notifications, learning your preferences, and suppressing irrelevant alerts. This helps reduce notification fatigue by filtering out alerts that don't matter to you. Adaptive scheduling is a key feature where the app learns from your dismissal patterns to deliver alerts only when they matter most, such as scheduling charging reminders during optimal times. This trend will continue toward a zero-friction app experience. Future features may include haptic feedback for critical alerts and secure blockchain-based notifications to prevent spoofing. Keep your app updated to benefit from these improvements and stay informed about the latest notification control options. This ensures you have the best experience with personalized, relevant alerts.